Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Again, I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, now what we are going to do today? Do you know? Addition. What we are going to do today? Addition. You know what is addition? Addition पता है सभी को? Yes or no? Yes. क्या करते हैं? What is the meaning of addition? एडिशन का सिंबल, व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ एडिशन? साइन कैसा होता है पता है आपको? यस, वेरी गुड। ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ एडिशन। वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड वन स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑन स्टैंडिंग लाइन। वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड वन स्लीपिंग लाइन बिकम द साइन ऑफ एडिशन। बनाएंगे सभी अपने फिंगर्स से। वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड देन वन sleeping line. This is a sign of addition. Again, one standing line and one sleeping line. Sign of addition. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting things together, combining things. अगर हम बहुत सारी चीज को एक साथ रखते हैं ना, for example, your mama give you 2 rupees, your father give you 5 rupees, your grandfather give you 3 rupees. जब आप सबको टोटल करेंगे तो आपको कितने रुपए हो जाएंगे? सो दैट इज एडिशन, पुटिंग थिंग्स टुगेदर। ओके, कंबाइनिंग, कंबाइन मतलब जोड़ना, जो सबको जोड़ के रखता है। सो कंबाइनिंग थिंग्स टुगेदर इज एडिशन। ओके, सो टुडे व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन एडिशन। ओके, सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन योर बुक्स एंड कॉपीज फास्ट। नाउ आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव योर Have you all purchased? अभी सभी के पास मैथ्स की बुक है? Very good. So I hope all of you have done your homework also that I have given you. Have you done the homework? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Okay. So take out your copies. Take out new page. Take out new page. Take out new page. Taken. Okay, now write. First write today's date. What is the date today? Write here today's date. Write fast today's date. Then write addition within 10. Addition, write. You have to write with me. आपको मेरे साथ लिखना है. Okay, addition. Addition within WITHIN. Addition within 10. Addition within 10. Now what is the meaning of addition? Addition. Put the sign of hash here and write addition means combining things. Addition means ADDITION. Addition means combining things. Combining things. COMBINING. Combining things. This is the meaning of addition. What is the meaning of addition? Addition means मतलब addition का मतलब है combining things, मतलब चीजों को combine करके रखना, जोड़ के रखना. Okay, that is the meaning of addition. Addition means combining things. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, repeat after me. Addition means combining things. Addition means combining things. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Addition means combining things. Addition means combining things. Now see, I am going to give you some example. Suppose see, suppose suppose here I am having, see, in my both the hands there are chalks. Are you able to see? In my both the hands there are chalks. So first, how many chalks in this hand? Count how many chalks in this hand. 1, 2, 3. 3 chalks in this hand. Now count how many chalks in this hand. Count how many chalks in this hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In this hand 4 chalks. In this hand 3 chalks. In this hand 4 chalks. Okay. In this hand 3 chalks and in this hand 4 chalks. Now how many total chalks I am having? मेरे पास total कितने chalks हैं? How many total chalks I am having? So now count all the chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many chalks? मैम के पास total कितने chalks हैं? Ma'am is having 7 chalks. Okay. So this is the meaning of addition. That I have combined this chalk and this chalk and find the total number of chalk. That means total is 7. So I am having total 7 chalks in my hand. Now see. How many cups are there? Are you able to see? How many cups are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How many cups are there? 1 and 2. And in this hand, how many cups? Only 1. Only 1. So now count all the cups. How many cups are there? 1, 2, 3. How many cups are there total? 1, 2, 3. So this is addition. When we combine all the things and when we get the total number, that is the addition. So addition means combining things. Combining मतलब एक साथ जोड़ के रखो. Addition means combining things. Okay. So today we are going to write. Now I am having this. आपको इसी के नीचे you have to write just below it. आपको इसी के नीचे लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. Write self practice. Self practice. Self practice 1E. 1E. So in your book pictures are there, but I am not drawing the pictures. Okay. In your book pictures are also there. So I am not drawing the picture. If you want to draw, you draw. Otherwise, you also don't draw. Okay. Simply we are doing the addition question. हम simply जो addition question है वो करेंगे. Okay. So add the numbers. Right question. Add the numbers. Add the numbers. This is the question. Write fast. You first copy the question. Add the numbers. Self practice 1E and the first question is add the numbers. So first I am writing all the questions. So you also copy all the questions. 1, 3 plus 4 is equals to, make a circle for answer. Second, 5 plus 3 is equals to 3. 5 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to. Okay, you don't draw this line in your copy. आपको line draw नहीं करनी है. You have to continue after this. आपकी copy में space है, so you continue from the same page. Next, 5. 6 plus 3 is equals to 6. 2 plus 3 is equals to 7. 7 plus 2 is equals to, and last 8. 4 plus 2 is equals to. Okay. So you also first write all the question fast, then we will solve it. Write fast. Write fast. I am reading question for you. Add the numbers. First is how do you read the question? You should know how do we read the question. हम question कैसे read करते हैं? You should know it also. Okay. So first is 3. How do we call this sign as? Plus. हम इस sign को कैसे read करते हैं? Plus. कैसे read करते हैं? Plus. 3 plus 4 equals 2. This is a sign of equality. Equals 2. How do you read this question? 3 plus 4 is equals 2. 5 plus 3 is equals 2. 5 plus 2 is equals 2. 4 plus 4 is equals 2. Next. 6 plus 3 is equals 2. 2 plus 3 is equals 2. 7 plus 2 is equals 2. 4 plus 2 is equals 2. Right fast. Then I am so going to solve all the question. Okay. Now what we are going to? How we are going to solve? We are going to solve this question using our fingers. हम अपनी fingers का use करेंगे. Okay. We will use fingers to solve this question. So first is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. So you also take out 3 fingers in your hand. Take out 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what is the next number here? What is the next number? 4. So take out 4 more fingers. अभी आपको 4 fingers और निकालने. Take out 4 fingers more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4. Count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So write here 7. Write fast. 3 plus 4, 7. Now next, 5 plus 3. So first take out 5 fingers. Take out 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next number is 3. So take out 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. Now count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So write here 8. Write fast. Copy correct from the board. Now see the next question. First read the question. 5 plus 2 is equals 2. 5 plus 2 is equals 2. Now take out 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have taken 5 fingers. आपको भी निकालना है आपके hand में. Now take out 2 more fingers. 1 and 2. Now count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total fingers is 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Write fast. Now what is the next question? Read the next question. आप read करके देखेंगे. How do you read this question as? कैसे read करेंगे? 4 plus 4 is equals 2. 4 plus 4 is equals 2. So 4 plus 4. So how many fingers we have to take? First take 4 fingers. Take out 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is the next number? Next number is again 4. So take out 4 fingers more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So write here 8. Now this side question do yourself. जल्दी से अपने आप करेंगे. I will give you few minutes. 2 minutes I will give you. Solve this question fast. अपने आप करेंगे जल्दी से. Using your fingers. Using your fingers. Solve the question. 5, 6, 7, 8. जल्दी solve करेंगे. Then I will solve and you check the answers. फिर मैं solve करूँगी तो आप answers check करेंगे. First read the question fast. Okay. Now check your answers. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Very good. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is again 9. Very good. And the last 4 plus 2 is 6. Very good. I hope all of you have done it correctly. And those students who have not done, copy from the board first and try to do yourself. Okay? आपको खुद करने की कोशिश करनी है. Okay, now next topic we will start. I am rubbing the board. First I will explain you. Adding 1. अभी आपको लिखना नहीं है. No need to write. Fold your hands and sit straight and look at the board. आपको hands fold करके सीधे बैठना है और आपको बोर्ड पे लिखना है. ओके? No need to write. अभी आपको लिखना नहीं है. Adding 1. Adding 1. Okay? Whenever you add 1 to any number, जब भी हम 1 किसी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं, so which number you will get? जब हम किसी भी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमें उसके जस्ट बाद वाला नंबर मिलता है. ठीक है? For example, 2. I am writing here 2 and adding plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. और 2 के बाद क्या आता है? काउंटिंग में 3 आता है. Yes, very good. 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. और 5 के बाद क्या आता है? काउंटिंग में 6. So whenever you add 1 to any number, हम जब 1 किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलता है? जस्ट उसका आफ्टर नंबर. क्लियर? Whenever we add 1 to any number, जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं तो what answer you will get? आपको क्या आंसर मिलता है? जस्ट आफ्टर नंबर. जिस भी नंबर में आपने 1 प्लस लिया है उस नंबर का आफ्टर नंबर. सी 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 8 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 9. So this is the concept of adding 1. जब भी हम 1 किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलता है? उस नंबर का आफ्टर नंबर. ओके? Now adding 0. Adding 0. You know what is 0? Concept of 0 किया है ना हमने. What is 0? 0 is having any value? अगर अकेले 0 है तो इसकी कोई वैल्यू है? No. 0 is no value अगर उसके साथ कोई नंबर नहीं है. अगर उसके साथ कोई नंबर है then yes, 1 के साथ 0 आ जाता तो 10 बन जाता है. 2 के साथ 0 आ जाता तो 20 बन जाता है. 3 के साथ 0 आ जाता तो 30 बन जाता है. बट अगर आपने सिर्फ 0 लिखा है then it has no value. So whenever we add 0 to any number, जब हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं, प्लस करते हैं, so what answer you will get? हमें क्या आंसर मिलता है? नंबर itself, मतलब वही नंबर. See, 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is again 2. 2 का 2 मिल गया आपको. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर हमको वही नंबर वापस से मिल जाता है. ठीक है? 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is again, sorry, 5 plus 0 is again 5. 7 plus 0 is again 7. 1 plus 0 is again 1. Okay, आपको दिख रहा है सेम आंसर आ रहा है. So whenever you add 0 to any number, what answer you will get? The same number. Okay, so this is the concept of 0 when you add 0 to any number. Now next is order of addition. What is the meaning of order in addition? अभी लिखना नहीं है. Order in addition. Order in addition means, suppose I am writing here 2 plus 3 is equals to, and here I am writing 3 plus 2 is equals to. Now see, so you do 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus चेंज इन द आंसर, इसमें आंसर्स में कोई चेंज नहीं आता। सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन। एडिशन की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज होती है। सो कौन कौन सी होती है, अभी हमने कौन कौन सी करी। फर्स्ट इज whenever you add 1 to any numbers, what is the answer you obtain? Just the after number। जब भी हम किसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करेंगे, सो आंसर मिलेगा दैट विल बी द आफ्टर नंबर। एंड whenever we add 0 to any number, जब हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करेंगे, सो आंसर वी गेट विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ। जिस नंबर में हमने 0 ऐड किया है वही नंबर वापस से आंसर मिलता है। एंड नेक्स्ट इज एडिशन इन ऑर्डर। Whenever we change the order of addition of same numbers, but answer will be same. Okay. Now, see, right? Self practice. 1F. Self practice 1F. Complete the following addition facts. Complete the following. Complete the following addition facts. Addition facts. Complete the following addition facts. So I am writing some questions here. A, B, C, D and E. F, G and H will be homework for you. Okay. F, G, H and I will be homework for you. So I am doing 5 questions and you will do 4 questions. Okay. Now see what is the question. 8 plus 0 is equals to 5 plus 0 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 is equals to, and last is 0 plus 6 is equals to. Write fast. Write fast. This question is given on page number 24. Okay. Page number 24. Now what is the answer? 8 plus 0. Whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the number itself. जब भी हम 0 किसी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर क्या मिलता है? The same number will be the answer. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Very good. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1. When we add 1 to any number, the answer will be the after number of the number we added 1. जिस नंबर में हमने 1 ऐड किया है उस नंबर का जस्ट आफ्टर नंबर. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 3 and 6 plus 0 is 6. Write fast. F, G, H and I will be homework for you. Write fast. Then I am going to write the next question. You can pause video here and complete your work. Okay? Students, those who have not completed the work, आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करेंगे and you will complete your work. So I am rubbing the board and I am writing the next question. Question 2. Second question. Write the correct numbers in each circle. Write the correct numbers. Write the correct numbers. Correct numbers in each circle. In the circles. Now, first, 8. 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus नंबर का ऑर्डर और यू हैव टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ अ नंबर। जो नंबर पहले लिखा था अभी हमको उसको बाद में लिखना है, जो बाद में लिखा था उसको पहले लिखना है। एंड देन वी हैव टू ऐड एंड राइट द आंसर। नाउ सी 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 लिखा है, यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 5 एंड 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8। वेरी गुड, राइट हियर 8। 2 plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 4 is equals to 2 is written, then which number will come here 4। जो नंबर नहीं लिखा है उसको हम ब्लैंक में सर्कल में फिल करेंगे एंड 4 plus 2 is 6। नाउ नेक्स्ट 7 plus 2 is equals to 2 लिखा हुआ है, बच्चा क्या है 7, so 7 plus 2 is 9 and the rest of the question that is D, E and M will be homework for you. Write fast, write student fast, or you can pause the video. You can pause the video and complete your work. You can pause the video and complete your work. So here we have completed self practice exercise 1F. Now we will start next exercise, that is vertical addition। अभी जो हमने किया that is horizontal addition, ऐसे ऐसे नंबर लिखे थे, okay, and we added। But now the next topic is vertical addition। ये आपने UKG में भी किया होगा, एक के नीचे एक नंबर लिखे होंगे and you have to add all the numbers using your fingers or making